First thing is to use office pin to secure it to the dummy head, and now I am done pinning it. Now I'm going to use invisible thread. Look at what it looks like. You bend it into two. Now I'm picking the old net and the new net together, one hole from the old net and the new net. Okay, as if you want to ventilate now, so you use only one. You have to put only one, bring out one. Aha. So this is how far I have gone. You see, from here to here. Then continue doing something. It's not difficult. I promise you, this is the best and the simplest method to use. Just keep on pulling it out, put it, remove it, put it, and that's all. After now, I'm going to pause and show you what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And now the next method we're going to do is the needle. Yeah, you put your invisible thread in the needle just like normal thread, as if you want to sew cloth, and then you stitch it. This is what other people do, but I didn't find it pleasing. That's why I had to make my own way. That method was actually found by me, and I don't like the way it pops inside. Now, okay, this is the third method. And this one is not that good, you know. It's similar to the first one, to the one I found, but it is not good. You just put it because the nuts are going to pop. The nut pops, so it's not that good. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November, you and I, flights to wherever, I don't mind. So as it is, I will just have to go back to my first method. I believe you have seen the differences. I've seen the differences, and yeah, I am done stitching. Now I'm going to show you what they look like, the difference in it. And this is the thread and the needle. I do not want to cut it out so that I can show you the differences. Alright, so this one, it is not you see this best method. Look at how neat it is. Look at how neat it is. And so now look at the needle method. You can see, yeah, you can see. Ooh, no. And you know what? It's showing inside the hair. It's showing in the hair. Now I'm going to open it and show you. Inside the hair, you are going to see here. No. For professionalism, you cannot do that. It doesn't make you professional seeing this inside. So I'll just have to cut it out. Cut it out. And that's the second method is just similar to the first method and the best method I used, just that the knot pops. That's the only thing I don't like about it. So this one now, I forgot to stitch it at once. I'm going to stitch it, and after stitching it, so to have a correct hairline. So after stitching it, I'm going to cut the excess part off. Then you can now use it to make your favorable hair. I'm done stitching it. You can see how fine it is when you're done stitching. Look at it's so neat. And please, you can see how rough the front of this the torn part was. So you can equally cut it out. and this is the part I'm talking about. Doing all those excesses you're seeing, you cut it out so that it will give you a straight line. Yeah, it will give you a straight line. You know, you need just one pattern, so it's going to give you a straight line. So you cut it, level it, so that it will give you a straight line. Okay. If I had all the time, I'd have just made the line to be straight, like the net, instead of it to curve like this. But I didn't have all the time, so I just had to use it. Like, seriously, this is an old closure for my client. I had to keep because I knew I was going to stitch it and make use of it another time. Now I am ventilating. You need to fill all the parts that you've seen, which I know I have already provided a video on how to ventilate in a professional way. What I usually do is double knotting. I had already explained that. Please, at this point, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel. You like this video, and please go and watch other videos so that you understand what we are doing on this channel. And this channel is dedicated to her and her alone. Salon tips will be given it here, and beauty tips. Now this is the outcome. Like, it came out really beautiful. I'm going to use the sewing machine you see there and stitch it. Now I am done stitching it to the cap, and voila, we are going to use it to make the hair. Look at the outcome, so beautiful. It doesn't even look like an old hair, you see. Now the next video is coming up, and please subscribe and video editor as well, and this course is available for you in case you'd like to learn video editing, social media, content writing, and the rest. This is a 4-hour course that will teach you everything you see on the flyer plus extra. So please, if you want to learn it, it is 20,000 naira, which is $70. Thank you for watching.